If you've been trying to make money online but keep feeling stuck, confused, or overwhelmed, this might be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Today, I'm reviewing the Online Income Masterclass by Wayne Crowe, a brand new 3-day live training designed to help complete beginners build a real online income system from scratch. And yes, this one is actually beginner-friendly. So what exactly is the Online Income Masterclass? It's a 3-day live training program where Wayne Crowe walks you through the exact steps he personally uses to build and grow online income systems. No tech skills, no email list, and no experience required. This is perfect for beginners, side hustlers, or anyone who tried making money online before but got overwhelmed by complicated methods. Here's what you get inside. First, 3 days of live, step-by-step training. Day 1 is Foundations, how online income actually works. Day 2 is Setup, building your income system piece by piece. Day 3 is Growth, getting people into your world and scaling your system. Second, beginner-friendly and practical. Wayne keeps everything simple, visual, and easy to follow. Even if this is your first attempt, you'll understand exactly what to do and when to do it. Third, private Facebook group community. You're not alone. You can ask questions, connect with others, and stay motivated. 4, daily live Q&A. If you're stuck, Wayne answers your questions in real time. This is rare and honestly worth more than the price alone. Pros: one-time payment, beginner-friendly, live training plus real examples, community support, Q&A directly with Wayne, includes my $43,000 bonus bundle. Cons: pricing is limited time, it could increase soon. And here's something special. When you grab the Online Income Masterclass through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. This includes 300+ premium tools, DIY templates, software, courses, and resources designed to skyrocket your online income. If you're serious about starting an online income system in 2025, this is your chance. Click the link in the description, grab the Online Income Masterclass, and secure your $43,000 bonus bundle before it disappears. Take action now, and I'll see you inside the masterclass.